Hello, we are Team 2, and I'm a member of our team. Here's our slide of our team members and task assignment list about iteration 1. So let's go to see the next slide. Here's our assignment, and the next members will follow the sequence shown in the slide. So I will go on first. In order to facilitate the use case diagram and domain diagram, I need to do the first step. I already had the UCID in my previous work. Therefore, in addition to sorting out use case and actors, my tasks are more about checking the task of the next two members' work in the checklist and the inspection process. Before I do this, I'll first address the issues of inspecific screen descriptions and missing navigation in the UCID by marking them. So here's the new table. Open this UCID table and analysis of the words in the table for the part of speech, such as the first one. The first one is register. It's a verb. So it in the table for the part of speech. So it should be in UCID. It's made up of a relationship. So let's go to see the UCD. Here's the use case diagram. And here's the register. It is a relationship, and here's the line links two sides. Okay, let's back to the table. The following non-verb noun in a DD that can be used as a class. For example, such as well-reserved rental details. And let's see the DD. Here's the noun, verb noun, so they can be a class. Let's back to the table. I want to make sure that all the words in the form of appropriate included in their diagram, because our understanding in the diagram is sometimes biased and there is the phenomenon of missing words. So basically, I have to check the whole diagrams carefully. If improper words have placed, I will correct them to make sure the code can according to the first three of us join smoothly. And all the member speeches will be put together by me. Next, let the other members of our group give a speech.
Hello teacher, I will show you that domain diagram of our group. Let's see here. When you want to use the car rental software, we can assume that you are the first person to use the software. You must first choose your tab and register your personal account through your own identity information. After you have successfully owned your own account, you can enter the software by yourself. Mm. When you are a rental manager, you first into the rental manager homepage, and you have some factions. For example, we will consider all cars rent, rent, rented. This okay. It will show you date, hours, car name, team, duration. And next, you if you want to know the various details of the specific rental, you must enter some details, date, car name, rental name, order idea, and order idea. It will show the date, hours, car name, team, duration, rental name, order idea. And you could enter the date. It will show you car name. You could vary available car, and you could delete delete reservation. Okay, let's say this. If you are a user, you could enter the user homepage, and you could confirm rental. You call con comes reserved rentals. We will reserve the rental details. If you want to request a rental, you must enter the car name, number of occupies, date, time, duration, extras. You could it will show you available cars, estimated price, and you could and also you could we will reserve the rental. You could you want to if you want to change all the information, you must enter the car name, team, date, and it will show you car name, date, time, uh, duration, extras, price, and you could change your information, and then it uh, will show you new information. Okay, let's see. Let's see this. Ad, admin. Like the two above, go to your home page first. Enter admin homepage. It could change user rules, revoke revoke or recover renter, edit user profile. Yeah. And if you want to search for user, you could enter user last name, and it will show you username, last name, first name, phone, email, and all three of them, Okay, let's see. Oh no. Mm. All three of them co uh, all three of them can look at the same time. They could very all update details. It will show them the username, password, UTID, last name, first name, phone, email, street address, city, state, zip code. Okay, this is my introduce. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Liu Hao, and my part in this presentation is to make the user case diagram. The user case diagram have two actors, the return manager and the users. The return manager have 9 user cases. That's register, login, logout, view profile, update profile, view calendars of all cars rented, view details of a special rental, delete a reservation, and view all available cars. And for the users, they have also the common user cases such as register, login, logout, view profile, and update profile. Besides, it has other user cases such as request a rental, confirm a rental, view reserved rentals, and view reserved rental details, and cancel a reserved rentals, display work time, and change order information. That's all. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Liu Ziwei. I'm from Team 2 and responsible to develop my team's app of renting a car at UTA. Before we start, I have to explain that my teammate had a critical situation so that he cannot complete his part of work, the register function. But he had committed his code to our GitHub repository. However, I didn't work it out, so today I only can show you the login function, which is my part of work. Because we don't have the register function, so I manually created a table, the user table, and I inserted 3 types of users. We use user type to distinguish different types of user. Now that we have 3 types of user, the operator, manager, and user. Okay, let's move to our application. This is our login page, and let's try the operator. You can click the checkbox to display or hide the password. Now I click the sign in button. We move in the operator home screen. Then I click the sign out button. We back to the login page, and my authentication of username and password is empty now. Second, let's try Lori. Lori is a manager. Let's sign in, and this is the manager home screen, which is different with the last page. At the last, let's try Zoe. Zoe is an user. Okay, this is the user home screen. Now we have 3 different homepage. Then let's try the situation that when you change your username or password, your authentication will be failed. Let's try Zoe. And I will enter random numbers. This is not the Zoe's password. And I click sign in. There is a message, username password is invalid. And I cannot get in the homepage. Okay, this is all of our application display. Thank you.